Hola Familia, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for all the continuous love and support. Your girl truly does appreciate it. If you are here to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click the little subscribe button along with the post notification bell. That way you are aware of any single time that I post any videos. Right now I'm pretty much related in the beauty, self-care, lifestyle with an occasional vlog kind of YouTube channel. So if you are interested, like I said, don't forget to click the subscribe and be a part of my little familia here. Also, I do want to also say that I hope everyone's staying safe, healthy, as much as possible during these times. I know everything has been chaotic this year and it's still not changing that much, so I just want to make sure that I'm sending positive vibes, prayers, and many blessings to everyone out there. Okay. So I'm gonna jump right into this one because I'm actually really excited about this one. If you have already read the description box, you know that this is gonna be a tutorial review of the INH, which is abbreviation for insert name here, waiver. It's called the waiver, which is basically like a wave barrel kind of wand to give you those beachy waves that are pretty much in right now. Now, if you don't know what INH hair is a premium hair extension brand. I believe they're based out of Los Angeles, and basically they do hair accessories, anything from wigs to extensions to ponytails. And now with accessories, I mean, this is something that they have came about as well. I've heard a lot of good things about it. I have seen like a lot of like pictures that come up like on my social media, and I'm always like, I gotta try it out because I do love to play a lot with my hair, so I figured it'd be the perfect opportunity to do so. Before I jump into this one, I just want to give you a couple of little fun facts about it. Like I said, this is called the waiver, and it does retail online at $63. Online is where you can basically get it. It's $63, or you can make 4 payments of $15.75. You also get a 1-year warranty and a 30-day satisfaction guarantee. This is supposed to be for medium-sized waves, and it's also a 25mm barrel, and it's supposed to be 3 little actual barrels instilled in one. So another cool thing to tell you guys that it is female founded, and all the products are vegan and cruelty free. So I know some of those people that are out there that really want to do that, like myself, want to be a part of the whole vegan cruelty free community. This is the way to go. So anyway, let's go ahead and open it up. This is what it looks like. The packaging is super cute. It's like a peach pink little box. I will say I ordered it like a week ago and I got it within like 3 or 4 days. The shipping was ridiculously quick. I'm really excited. Oh, this is so pretty. All right, so one of the biggest things that drew my attention is obviously the aesthetics, because I love that it has like the gray, pink, and white. It's actually really cool and really aesthetically pleasing, like I said. So another thing to know about this one is that it heats up to 450 degrees. It has tourmaline ceramic glaze, which basically minimizes the hair damage in your hair. It also has a 360, oh, here we go, degree swivel cord. That way you can kind of do it from all different angles. It does include a heat protective glove, which is so cute because I've never actually seen a pink one. This is what it looks like. It's super cute. And it also has like the little white sides. It actually seems to be pretty comfortable. I know that I've gotten some in the past and they're usually just black or brown, but this is really cute. It also does have a little digital screen in the front, so it's nice for you to know. And oh, a really nice fun fact about it is that it has a universal voltage. So basically you can use this device any place you go, even if you travel outside of the country, which is pretty dope. So I basically think that's all we need to know about the product. I'm gonna go ahead and connect this up right now so we can go ahead and get to the try on part of the video. So give me 1 second. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I zoomed you in a little bit. That way we can actually, you know, be more interactive here. I went ahead and also turned it on. I don't know if you can kind of see, it has like a little LED blue light. Also, it has a power button. Right now it is off, so I wanted to go ahead and turn it on. Like I said, it does heat up to 450 degrees, and from what it looks like, the numbers are already going really fast. It's up to 91 already. And I guess you can pretty much stop it wherever you feel most comfortable. So I'm gonna go ahead and let it keep heating up. And in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and, oh, you know what? Also nice for you guys to know is that it has this this little part of the product, which is nice. That way you can set it on the table. You don't have to actually leave it on top of the furniture or the desk or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and set that while it heats up. And it does come with this little paper that gives you a couple of little tips of things to do. It basically, don't forget to use your heat protectant spray, which I will be doing here shortly. And you wanna make sure that your hair is fully dry before you get started. You wanna take smaller pieces, so you can get actual deeper waves, the thicker the pieces, the lighter the curve is going to be, like the wave is going to be. So if you want that deeper wave, make sure you're taking smaller pieces at a time. All right. What else? You want to clamp the hair starting 2 to 3 inches away from the root and hold for approximately 5 to 10 seconds. I don't have very, very thick hair, so usually when I use any kind of like waver or crimper or hair curling iron, it doesn't take me that long to do, so we'll see how long it takes me with this one. And also a nice cool little tip that I do know is that you don't want to go all the way to the end. You want to kind of stop about an inch or two away to kind of give you like that whole beachy wave kind of thing, kind of look. And also at the end, you want to put a little bit of, just brush them out a little bit, the waves, and then go ahead and put a little bit of hairspray. So let's see how this is looking. Okay, we are at approximately 325 degrees. It is definitely moving very fast. So go ahead and set that to the side and we'll be starting shortly. All right, looks like we're ready to go. I went ahead and put on my little glove, which I usually never do, but I'm curious to actually try it with it. We'll see how that goes. And I set it to 410 degrees Fahrenheit. I didn't want to up it that much. So we'll take a look at how it is. So like I said, this is how we're gonna get started. And I literally just actually going to cut my hair right down the middle. And I'm gonna go ahead and start with a little small section right over here. And I did put some heat protectant spray already. I usually use the Foxy Bay Cool AF heat protectant spray. So I love that one and it smells mad good. So I'm gonna go ahead, open up your little clip thing. And let's go ahead. Oh, kind of nervous. I don't know why. All right. And it says you want to hold it to about 5 to 10 seconds. Ooh, oh wow, that's so pretty. Okay, so this is what the first little strand looks like. I hope you guys can actually see how that looks. I could definitely tell that the smaller the pieces are, the more of the wave you're gonna get. I'm gonna go ahead and start going all the way around my hair. I'm not gonna film everything just like that. You guys aren't gonna do this whole thing with me like this, so I'm gonna fast forward through and we'll see you guys when I get to the other side. Alright guys, so this is the final look. As you can see, it actually looks super cute. Let me see if you guys can see the back a little bit. And the front. I didn't really brush them out because I don't think that my hair is like works that well when it's actually brushed out, because then it makes me like feel like the Lion King. Like I feel like it all frizzed out and everything. So I don't know, I'll brush out like a little bit at the ends, but I don't want to lose that like deep wave. So I don't know, I really, really like it. Honestly, it took me such a short period of time to kind of go all around my head. I will talk to you guys really quick about what I think are the pros and the cons. It has so many pros, honestly. Like I really, really do like the product. Like I said, it's super aesthetically pleasing. It heats up mad fast, which is always nice. It's very easy to move around your head. What else is really good about it? It definitely works better when you do use the smaller pieces, I will say. There's a couple of spots back here that is kind of hard for me to grasp, and since I really didn't section my hair off like that well, it was hard for me to kind of get all the way around and really get in there. I started off with my glove. I'm so used to not wearing a glove that I felt like it kind of got in the way, so midway I just took it off and I felt like I was able to manipulate my hair a little bit better without the glove. But of course the glove is also very good to have just in case you want to switch hands or anything like that. Like I said, I actually really, really do love the product. The one con, I guess, that I would say is basically that I'm not used to the barrels being so thick together. The crimper that I have had, or even when I curl my hair, is usually one or maybe even just two of the barrels together. So it's easier for shorter hair. See, my hair really isn't that long. So you put this, like once I was in the back, I literally was able to just hold it one and maybe like an inch underneath it. And that was basically it. So when you have shorter hair, this one might be a little bit more challenging because it's pretty wide. However, if your hair is long, it's nice because it doesn't take as much time. Regardless, that is literally like the only con that I do feel, other than for some people might think of the price point, but honestly, I really don't think it's that bad. I've paid much more money for other hair products and they've just been okay. So overall, I don't know, I got a 2 thumbs up on my end. What do you guys think about it? I don't really have anything else negative to say. So if you are interested, I will link everything down in the description box so you can go ahead and check it out. And of course, if you do want me to review or check out any of their other products or hair accessories or anything, let me know as well. So other than that, that's pretty much all I have for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, for your love, for your support. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I will link everything down here on the bottom, Jesslyn_33. So thank you guys so much. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Muchísimas gracias. Ciao.